pinakikinggan. Ang sakit na ano pag pimples. Pag normal ka talaga. Linda Kagina. Hi, Prime. Pag nangyari sa iyong linindol, eh, yung tawa mo, ikakainin mo talaga. Peter, thank you, Emmanuel. Tawa mo, kakainin mo yan. Yung joke-joke mo, Hi, Night! Mazer! Where were you from? Pilonelo. Country. Hi, Emmanuel, Mr. F. Hello pa. Hi, Sandro. Kanina pa kita pinakikinggan. Mickey! Hello po. Hi, Mickey. Biglang ano nga ako, Rax, hello. Rax. Thank you, Emmanuel. How you doing? Hello. Where you from, Emmanuel? Robert. Slarix, hello. You know that's earthquake where is from? Bakit ka kasi nag-English pa sa akin? Andres. Hi, reader. Cristo, hello. Mian, hello. Ito, wala akong matapit today. Hi, Cesar. How are you po? Brian. Saan na ba? Di pa 1 hour. How are you, Bobby? Hello, hello, Mr. Payne. How are you? Dad, hello. B. Hi, B. Bobby, what are you doing? Wahoo, hello. Where are you from, Bobby? Where are you from, B? Hi, James. Oh, Chubbs, hello. Kanina pa kita pinakikinggan. Hey, beautiful, how are you? I'm good, James. How about you? Jokai. Hi, 8:30. Where are you from, 8:30? What is percolips? What's that? Pita lips like that? Pero, Black Sun, hello. Hi, madam. Hi, 928. Bakero, hello. Bruce. Myong, hello. Andy. Rapot. Hi, Black Sun. How are you? Taga saan po kayo? Visayas po. Kanina pa kaya. Grabe yung bago lang dito sa... Ano ka ba, Jess? Hi, Rapot. Ramiro, where are you from? You are so beautiful. Absolutely perfect. No, I'm not. Sabi nga sa Visayas, madam. Bacolod, ikaw. Bacolod man, ikaw. Juan, hello. Lil G, hello po. The one and only one. Ano ba to? It's recommended to move the live versus version of product Dinoy ko. Bacolod man din ko sa boundary ko sa Manilao. Din sa Bacolod talaga nigaran ko. Sa Bacolod City. Pa-up ako. Mel! Mike pala, Mike. Hello. Bakit mag-up? Ano dito? Hi, Mike. Wait lang din. Naantok ako sa inyo. Wala akong matapik eh. Alex. Andy! Sa Morsha, madam. Morsha. I'm waiting for your call. Who are you? Who are you to remind me that you're waiting for your call? For my call. Oh my God. Hi, Rasa. Poggy, hello. Level 61. Alex. Hi, Mike. Melanie, hello. Andres, hello po. Hi, Melanie. Sino ba nandito? Ay. Hi, Mike. How are you? Hi there. Sorry, new. Hello, Rosal. It's okay to be new. How are you? How are you, Rosal? Pag magkanto ko na rides tayo, madam. Kapoy rides. Andy is trying to say that you're doing live stream voicemail. What? Level 74, hello. What? Hi, Ki. How are you po? Phil, kamusta ka dyan? Okay ka lang dyan? Pakakot. One word star. Dahlia, hello po. I tried calling you. Then, I'm not available po. Hi, Media. How are you? Thank you, Phil. Oh, EP, hello. Hi, Nathan. How are you po? World Star, hello. Oh. Oh. Okay lang, EP, ikaw. Thank you, Rosal. Where are you from, Rosal? Luis, hello. World Star, hello po. Milano. New Zealand. How's New Zealand? I cannot. Hello, where are you? I cannot saw you here. I'm back, Angela, but I'm going to sleep. Oh my God, you're going to sleep na. Thank you, Falcon. Thank you po. How's New Zealand po? I have a friend before in New Zealand. Smasher, hello. Hi, James. I have a friend before in New Zealand po, but ano na, he has a girl. Elara, hello. He just a girl.